Nebraska, Antelope, Boone, Butler, Colfax, Cumming, Dodge, Madison, Platte, Saunders, Stanton, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in northeastern Nebraska, southern Wayne County in northeastern Nebraska, western Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, Platte County in northeastern Nebraska, western Dodge County, southeastern Antelope County in northeastern Nebraska, northern Butler County, northeastern Boone County in northeastern Nebraska, northwestern Saunders County, Stanton County in northeastern Nebraska, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:59 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles north of Newman Grove to 3 miles south of Genoa, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Monroe around 1:05 a.m. Battle Creek and Duncan around 1:10 a.m. Madison and Lakeview around 1:15 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Columbus, Stanton, Richland, Schuyler, Pilger, Linwood, and Wisner. People attending Madison County Fairgrounds should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Antelope, Boone, Butler, Colfax, Cumming, Dodge, Madison, Platte, Saunders, Stanton, and Wayne. Madison County Fairgrounds should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Antelope, Boone, Butler, Colfax, Cumming, Dodge, Madison. Number 458, effective until 08:00 a.m. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Sarpy, and Saunders. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 458 has been issued until 08:00 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Sarpy, and Saunders. Servicing Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in northeastern Nebraska, Byrd County, Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, Colfax County in northeastern Nebraska, eastern Platte County in northeastern Nebraska, northwestern Washington County, Dodge County, south central Thurston County in northeastern Nebraska, northern Butler County, northwestern Saunders County, Stanton County in northeastern Nebraska, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:41 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles north of Stanton to 3 miles southeast of Clarkson to 3 miles southeast of Columbus, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Howells around 1:45 a.m. Dodge and Pilger around 1:50 a.m. Schuyler, Wisner, and Snyder around 1:55 a.m. Scribner, Beamer, and Linwood around 2 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include North Bend, Ewing, Morse Bluff, Oakland, Bancroft, Craig, Rosalie, Lyons, Cedar Bluffs, Fremont, Tacoma, Nickerson, Inglewood, and Woodcliff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 02:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Butler, Colfax, Cumming, Dodge, Madison, Platte, Saunders, Stanton, Thurston, and Washington. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, western Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Sarpy County, southern Burt County, southeastern Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, Washington County, central Dodge County, Douglas County, northern Saunders County, until 3 a.m. At 2:12 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Oakland to 2 miles northwest of Nickerson to 4 miles northwest of Colon, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Woodcliff around 2:20 a.m. Arlington, Meade, Craig, and Lashara around 2:25 a.m. Valley, Utan, and Kennard around 2:30 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Blair, Tacoma, Bennington, Elkhorn, Waterloo, Herman, Omaha, Gretna, Fort Calhoun, Zorinsky Lake, Flanagan Lake, Standing Bear Lake, Boys Town, Millard, Mondamon, Modale, Little Sioux, Chilco, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, Warespan Lake, Florence, Papillion, Ralston, La Vista, Axelton, Walnut Creek Recreation Area, Midtown, Benson, Bellevue, Carter Lake, Missouri Valley, and South Omaha. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 61 and 99. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 437 and 450. For your protection, move to an interior